Is there anybody here who can't carve out 15 minutes? Excellent. My LinkedIn strategy is 15 minutes a day, that's it. Now I may use it more if I need to, if I'm involved in something, but I promise you, I will use LinkedIn for 15 minutes a day no matter what happens, okay? The first 5 minutes I get on there, I might check my inbox. See if I've had any questions asked of me, any emails sent to me, any connection requests sent to me. So if I've got inbox messages, that's the very first thing I'm going to do. Answer those. That'll take 3 minutes, give or take. I make sure that before I close LinkedIn for the morning, I have responded to everything in there, and that little orange number, that little orange box is gone. There are no pending requests, no more conversations started. 3 minutes. After that, I'll spend 5 or 6 minutes reaching out. I'll spend some time talking to people. I'll spend some time reconnecting with folks. I'll spend some time looking for that person who is on my list, but isn't necessarily somebody I know, like, and trust real well. They got on my list because they were a Comcast, staff person who we met, but we really don't know each other, right? I may reach out to somebody like that and make a phone call. 5 minutes, okay? Or in your situations today where you're still building your list, where you're still building your profiles, what I might do instead there is I might go look at my friends list today. How many connections do I have? 300, 400, whatever the number is. I would go through those. Now guys, I'm telling you, the first couple of weeks, it's going to take more than 15 minutes. You can't do the setup that it's going to take to get you here in 15 minutes. It's going to take more commitment than that.